A warm welcome to all. Our topic is about Nobel Prize winners in 1987. We are going to discuss about Robert Solow, who won Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science. Robert Solow. Robert Solow is an American economist who worked on the theory of economic growth culminated in the exogenous growth model named after him. He is currently Emeritus Institute Professor of Economics at the MIT, where he has been a professor since 1949. He was awarded the John Bates Clark Medal in 1961, the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science in 1987, and the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2014. Solow won the Nobel Prize for Economics in 1987. As a student at Harvard, Solow became a research assistant under professor and economist Vasily Leontief, and he made contributions to the input-output analysis method in economics. Solow is well known for developing the concept of Solow residual, which explains the role of technology in productivity increases for an economy. Also, in addition to academy, Solow has also served the government as a member of the Council of Economic Advisers and on the President's Commission on Income Maintenance. His major contribution: the theory of economic growth. The study of factors which permit production growth and increased welfare has been a central feature in economic research for many years. Robert M. Solow's prize recognizes his exponential contribution in this area. It is eminently reasonable to imagine that increased per capita production in a country may be the result of more machines and more factories. But this increased production may also due to the improved machines and more efficient production methods. In addition, better education and training and improved method of organizing production may also give rise to increased productivity. The discovery of fresh natural resources or improvements in a country's position on the world market may also lead to higher standards of living. Solow has created a theoretical framework which can be used in discussing the factors which lie behind economic growth in both quantitative and theoretical terms. This framework can also be exploited to measure the contributions made by various production factors in economic growth. Solow's theoretical model had an enormous impact on economic analysis. From simply being a tool for the analysis of the growth process, the model has been generalized in several different directions. It has been extended by the introduction of other type of production factors, and it has been reformulated to induce stochastic features. The design of dynamic links in certain numerical methods employed in general equilibrium analysis has also been based on Solow's model. But above all, Solow's growth model consists a framework within which modern macroeconomic theory can be structured. From this, we can understand that his contribution to the theory of economic growth and also the contribution to the theory of long-term macroeconomic growth is behind this prestigious Nobel Prize motivation. His contribution makes improved machines and more efficient production method in the economy. Other Nobel Prize winners in 1987: Oscar Arias, Joseph Brodsky, K. Alex Muller, George Bernays, Susumu Tonegawa, Jean Marie Le, Ronald J. Kam, and Charles J. Pedersen. For further reference, YouTube links are provided. Thank you.